Meaning of gnat.
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 Gnat. A gnat is a small, flying insect that belongs to the family of tiny two-winged flies. They are commonly found in warm and humid environments and can be a nuisance due to their tendency to swarm around people's faces and food. The term gnat is often used to refer to any small, annoying flying insect, though it specifically refers to members of the insect family Mycetophilidae. Gnats have short lifespans, typically living for only a few days to a week, and play a role in the ecosystem by serving as a food source for birds and other insects.